Pick very best one.
No.
And you?
No, not Glenn. Not Glenn. Come on. Not Glenn. Anyone but Glenn.
Knew it.
No!
Anybody moves, anybody says anything, cut the boy's other eye out, feed it to his father, and then it will start. You can breathe, you can blink, you can cry. Hell, you're all about to be doing that.
Connie, Abraham, say something before.
Turning it like a champ. My
No!
So, back to it.
No!
Who did he hit?
Glenn! No! 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 No!
Buddy, you still there? I just don't know. It seems like you're trying to speak. But you just took a hell of a hit. I just popped your skull so hard, your eyeball just popped out.
No!
It hit as gross as shit. My God, I'll find you.
No! No! No!
Oh, hell.
Lonnie's my favorite character. Why?
I can see this is hard on you guys. I am sorry. I truly am.
Oh, fuck you.
But I did say it.
Then fucking kill Daryl. I would've. No! No!